Hi everybody, we are here in San Francisco at the RSA Conference 2024. My name is Nelson Chia, Product Manager for X-PHY Cybersecurity. We have just launched the latest addition to the X-PHY family here in RSA, Server Defenders. As you can tell from the name, it's a brand new solution that protects servers and data centers based on our X-PHY approach of embedding dynamic and proactive security through advanced hardware engineering. Server Defenders combine both hardware and software protection for a full stack of protections and introduce our patented Matrix Shield technologies. It's an independent module with our own OS that covers across all the 7 layers of OSI architecture network and the 5 layers of the TCP/IP models, delivering holistic intelligence and dynamic protections even against zero-day threats. To give you an idea of what X-PHY Server Defender is capable of and how it functions, I'm going to show you a demonstration of a simulated ransomware attack, DMA attack, and how Server Defenders is able to detect and respond to it. What you see here is our Server Defenders UI portal. In this demonstration, I'll be attacking our Singapore servers. So let me log in. So in the server itself, this is the Singapore servers. I'll show you the server files, which we are using images, videos, PDF as to represent server files. Now I'm going to perform a ransomware attack. As you can see, ransomware is doing its malicious activities work by encrypting all the server files. At the same time, the Server Defenders have detected the malicious activities, and of course, in the actual product roadmap, we are going to do an automated restoration. But for this demonstration purposes, I'm going to perform manually by stopping the attack. Then let's see what happens. And it's an instant restoration, as you can see over here. Through our patented Matrix Shield technologies, we are able to recover all the files, as you can see over here. In the next attack, I'm going to perform a DMA attack. As a hacker, I'm going to take control of the servers. Now, let me show you the DMA attack. Imagine today I'm a hacker. I happen to know the server password, and I'm going to take control over it. So let me perform. Let me browse through the directory, shadow it, and let me go and look for the password. So let me locate it. I'm going to delete the password. And in this demonstration, I prepare a set of passwords. I'm going to overwrite it. Let me save it. Yes. Shadow. Yes. Now, as a hacker, I've taken control of the servers. At the same time, it was being detected by the Server Defenders. As you can see over here, the hackers have already changed the password. Let me do a quick lockout. My earlier server password is not able to. I'm not able to access. So earlier, I have changed the password, which is a numeric of 1, which is the hacker password. Now, in order to regain back the credential, the control of the server itself, all I need is just restore back. And to prove to you I have gained back control of the server, let me use back the hacker password, which is a numeric of 1, no longer work. Back to my original password, which you can see over here. Now, let's come to the end of my demonstration. I hope you guys understand what Server Defender can do and protects across the 7 layers of the OSI architecture.